I'm going to be doing some night routine life hacks. So I did the morning routine version of this a couple of weeks ago. So if you want to go check that out, I will have it linked at the top of the screen right here. And if you already watched that video and you liked it, then hopefully you'll like this one too. So yeah, with all that being said, without further ado, let's get started.
So starting off with the homework part of my night routine, it's inevitable, you gotta do it, but honestly, it's probably the part I hate most about going home every night. After a long day of school, you really just want to get home and relax, but you're still left with a ton of work to do, and it can be kind of stressful and hard to concentrate. If you're having trouble getting in the zone and just concentrating on your homework, I'd recommend listening to classical music. So you can go on Spotify, Apple Music, or YouTube and just find a classical study music playlist and just play that while you study. You may not even know it, but this will relax you a lot, and since there's no words, you won't get distracted or anything, and it'll just really put you in the mood to work more. Life hack number 2. If you're trying to study using flashcards and there's just one term or phrase you can't seem to remember and get in your head, a quick way to make sure you get it memorized is just to write it down on a piece of paper 7 times over. So write the term and the definition, and make sure you're doing this by hand too and not typing it, because writing by hand really helps you retain information a lot better, and writing it down 7 times over will just make sure that's stuck in your head. Life hack number 3. If you're trying to get your math homework done and you just can't figure out how to get your answer to match the one in the textbook, there's actually a website called Symbol AB or Symbol Lab, I'm not really sure how to say it, but basically you just go ahead and type in your math problem and it'll show you step by step how to get to the right answer. Now moving on to the shower and getting unready part of my night routine. So the first thing I always do before I get in the shower is, take off my makeup, obviously. So I use a regular makeup wipe to do that, but I also wear waterproof mascara, and a regular makeup wipe just doesn't seem to get all that off. So a super easy way I found to get rid of every last bit of makeup on my face is to use a little bit of coconut oil and just rub that around my eye area. And it'll just loosen up the waterproof mascara, so then you can just wipe it off with a wet washcloth and it's all gone. After I've taken off all my makeup, that's when I head into the shower. And this brings me to life hack number 5. So if you want to make a super easy DIY body scrub, all you have to do is combine 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of coconut oil, and a little bit of vanilla extract. Just mix that all together, and that's it. Not only is this a super great exfoliator, but it also moisturizes your legs and makes them feel super smooth. And honestly, I think this is better than any kind of store-bought body scrub you can get. It's definitely one of my favorite things to make. So after shower time, we got skincare. If you're looking for a way to maybe make your eyelashes grow up a little bit longer, you can actually use a little bit of castor oil. So you can get this on Amazon and at some drugstores, and basically all you need to do is just apply a little bit of that onto a Q-tip and then just put that on your lash line. And then doing this every night will just help your eyelashes grow a little bit, and also it's just a super easy addition to your night routine, and the results are definitely worth it. So moving on to some sleep life hacks. So lavender is actually a scent that will help you fall asleep and relax more, so incorporating that into your night routine as much as you can will really help you sleep. Whether that be through a lavender moisturizer, which I'm using here, or also a lavender scented candle you can light at night. Really anything lavender scented will work and help promote better night's sleep. Life hack number 8. If you have trouble keeping your hair from getting really greasy overnight, try sleeping with your hair up in a loose bun. This will make sure that the oil doesn't leave your scalp, keeping the rest of your hair oil-free and looking good. Life hack number 9. When it comes to a late night snack, instead of eating things like Cheez-Its and chips and stuff like that, instead go for something like chamomile tea and some almonds. These foods really promote a better night's sleep, and it'll just sit with you a lot better than eating Cheez-Its before bed. And last but not least, life hack number 10. If you plan on using any kind of electronics before bed, just make sure you have night shift turned on. The blue light that electronics emit make it harder to sleep, so giving them this yellow tint will really counteract that.
Hope y'all enjoyed that video. If you are not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have Instagram and a Twitter, both at Ella_Elbells, so go ahead and follow me in all of those, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!